Is your Nintendo Switch gaming session screeching to a halt because your Joy-Cons refuse to cooperate when attached? Let's dive into fixing that. First, ensure your Switch is fully updated. Navigate to System Settings, then System, and finally, System Update. This fixes many compatibility issues. Next, detach and reattach the Joy-Cons. Make sure they click firmly into place. A loose connection is a common culprit. Now, let's resync them. Go to System Settings, then Controllers and Sensors, and select Disconnect Controllers. After they're disconnected, reattach them to the Switch. If that doesn't work, try syncing them individually in the same controller's menu. Select Change Grip, or press the sync button on each Joy-Con until they appear on the screen. Dust and debris can interfere with the connection. Use a soft, dry brush to gently clean the Joy-Con rails and the Switch console rails. Be careful not to damage the connectors. Wireless interference can also cause problems. Move your Switch away from other wireless devices like routers, microwaves, and Bluetooth speakers. Controller updates are a must in System Settings. Click Controllers and Sensors and then Update Controllers. Let the Switch run through the update process. Still no luck? It might be time to contact Nintendo support or consider professional repair, as the issue might be hardware related. Hopefully, these steps will get you back to gaming smoothly.